Welcome, my friends. We're talking about the traceability and monitoring knowledge area in business analysis. Let's have a quick refresh about this knowledge area. So this knowledge area is all about tracing, approving, and assessing changes to product information to manage it throughout the business analysis effort. As you can see down here, we've got the goal zone. And as usual, we're zooming into the goal zone to better understand all the things discussed. So collaborative games, we've already talked about this. We have games used to better understand the requirements to elicit the requirements. Here we have the definition of ready, DOR. Remember, we talked about the INVEST acronym. So when we say a story is ready, we're really saying it's ready to be worked on. Force field analysis. It's a decision-making technique that can be used to help product teams analyze whether there is sufficient support to pursue a change. In force field analysis, we show forces for an idea and forces against an idea, and it makes a compelling argument as to forces for, forces against, and the team can decide whether to pursue or not. All right, next one we have here is iteration planning. It's another word for sprint planning. It's when you plan at the beginning of an iteration what exactly is going to be done. All right, the next one that we have here is prioritization schemes. So what exactly do we mean by prioritization schemes? Well, these are different methods used to prioritize portfolio components, programs, project requirements, features, and other product information. Next one we have here is story mapping. We've talked about this before. The key about the story map, it shows the sequence of stories, shows them at a high level, shows them going into more detail, and it gives us a good idea for what could constitute a minimum viable product. Next, we have impact analysis. And impact analysis, as the words imply, is evaluating a change in reaction for how it will affect other requirements. What will the impact be if X is not changed or if Y is changed, so on and so forth. So changes in relation to how it will affect other requirements, the product, the program, and the project. The next one here is quite straightforward, is requirements management tool. And this is a software product that allows for the capture and storage of requirements and other product information in a repository. And that, my friends, concludes our review of this one. Remember what we're doing here. What are we doing in traceability and monitoring? Tracing, approving, and assessing changes to product information to manage it throughout the business analysis effort. And that concludes our review on the tools and techniques of this area. I'll see you in the next video.